hello, excuse me, lost my voice for a moment there. Hello to Nessie and Andy's Travels. And no, we're not on the French Riviera. We are in Split, in Croatia.
And very beautiful it is too. And very sunny.
And very sunny.
And very hot.
Yeah. Our P&O ship is in the distance, and also in the far distance is an American aircraft carrier.
The John Ford.
With over 40 aircraft, I believe, did he say this morning?
Something like that, yeah.
So we're going to take you for a walk. And show you the sights.
The view here is what made me want to come back to Split. It is so beautiful.
And a lot of history here. Going back centuries. Back to the Venetians, the Romans. Obviously it was part of Yugoslavia at one time. Until the war, when the country split.
And we're in Split.
And we're in Split, yeah. That was strange how that came out. Yeah. Lots of eating places all the way down here. We've just had our breakfast, or brunch at least. It's a bit late.
You come here and sit at a table in the morning before midday, and it's basically, no, you can't just have a coffee, you have to have breakfast.
That's right. We tried a couple of places. No, we weren't eating at that time. No, we couldn't have just a coffee, we'd have food as well. But anyway, in the end we had brunch because we were getting hungry. We've had no breakfast. We got off the ship this morning, too late for breakfast.
As usual.
Yeah, as usual. We were not in a rush. We were not doing any trips out today from our cruise. Beautiful plants all planted up around here. I remember it being like this the last time we were here, which was in 2015.
Something like that.
Yeah, I think somewhere around there.
Flowers are looking a bit wilted now.
They are, yes. I think it's been very hot. It's actually very hot today. Got a very, very blue sky and a very, very blue sea. Some quite impressive buildings here as well. Just my left. I can just catch this one.
Well, according to my weather on my phone, it's 30 degrees.
It's 30 degrees then today. And it feels like it. Although there's no humidity. That's an embassy, that one, by the looks.
There's a bank.
There's a bank, is it?
Banker.
Ah, bank. Yeah, not an embassy then. It just looked like it. It looked like the sort of building that would be an embassy. Some very old buildings as well, amongst the bit later ones. Nessie's going to go ahead of me now.
Sorry. Can we stay there? It's nice.
Hey?
Can we stay here? It's nice and shaded.
Yeah, it's cooler there. Let's walk amongst the garden, the plants.
The usual boat trips along the front.
Yes. All different things you can do, sightseeing cruises, speak English and all different languages, and they're all lined up, all different ones along the frontier. And as soon as we got off the ship, they were
there.
They were there. Do this, do that, come on this trip, come on that trip. And yeah, we just have to go on ignore mode and just say, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. But I'm sure there's a fair few people enjoy going on these trips.
We're berthed quite away from the
Yeah, it's quite a long walk
place
from our
at
ship.
the moment, yes.
There's our ship over there in the distance.
Yeah.
It's quite a trek. It took us roughly half an hour to walk from the ship to the town.
It's a bit different to the last time we were here. We were berthed out there, but we got a tender, didn't we?
Yeah, and we landed
And they
just here at
dropped
the
us
quay.
right here at the quay.
Yeah. The old buildings up there. Ancient history. And as you see, the restaurants just go on and on and on, all the way down. Lots of seating area. And of course, with an American ship in the aircraft carrier, there's quite a few Americans about here as well today, I noticed. But there is all sorts of nationalities here. I've heard Germans this morning, I've heard French. Obviously the English, Welsh, Irish, Scottish.
Everybody's here. The
Yeah.
world and his wife.
Yes, it's very busy here today. Big holiday destination as well. Getting into holiday season, just about. And there's a little tuk-tuk type trikes that they're riding about on. Here is a map of the old city, the original city, which is a walled city. And that bit in the middle, that's the wall bit, just there, when you pick that up. And I don't know what year this is from.
Hello, it's Ryan.
Possibly Roman times, I would think. I don't know. Or maybe a bit later.
Well, there's certainly Roman
Yeah,
inside the walls.
yes, we're going to take you on another video for that. We're going to go around the Roman ruins. Oh, that's noisy. That's a view going up. It's a pedestrian area. I think we'll end this particular video here. We're going to take you inside the walls next.
Try and find somewhere a little cooler because
Yes.
I am absolutely boiling.
It is baking. Right. Well, thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, click the like.
And subscribe.
And we'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.